What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well during this quarantine. Today I have a Photoshop tutorial on how to create this surreal image over here. Really quick and easy, so let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to get started with this tutorial over here. Basically we're going to be using these two images, one of Point Defiance Park in Tacoma and the other one of this sign in the Pike Place Market. What we're going to do first is actually duplicate the image here of the Pike Place Market sign by clicking Command J on Mac. And then we're going to bring that image into the Point Defiance Park image. And if you want to do here is adjust it so it could be smaller than the Point Defiance Park image. I kind of bring it over here to my liking for now. We're going to get back to that later. Now you're going to want to right click on that image you just brought in. Click blending options. Alright, so we're going to go to the bottom here and work with this layer. And we're going to work with that left slider over here. But what you want to do is actually hold Alt Option key and click on the right piece of that slider and move it as far as you can. And just make sure that neon sign is still there. As you can see here, most of the image is actually fading away here, but just to make sure we want that neon sign still there. And it's okay if some of the other parts are there of the other image. So what we're going to do here next, just you'll see. So go ahead and give that market sign place a layer mask. Make sure it's white. And we're going to do here is actually we're going to start painting over everything here. So remember, black reveals, white conceals. Make sure your opacity is at 100. Then we're going to make sure we remove all of the other stuff that we don't need from that image and make sure we have the market sign in its place. We're going to move that in a little bit. So this is where I'm going to start moving into place next to the tree. I'm going to bring back some of that sign in here only because I want it to like stand out as much as possible. And that's actually pretty much it to it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And stay tuned for the next video, and just remember to flow your creativity. Peace.